Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'm gonna be unboxing this fangzor X mantonid from Bakugan, and let's do this. Alright, so first I'm gonna have to open the box. Alright, let me open it. Alright, let's take this out. So here are the power things. These things. Oh, yep, right here, the magnets. And now, wait, let me take the card out. So, yep. And also, excuse the noise. My parents are talking. I'm sorry about that. And yep. So I'm unboxing the card. I'm opening right now. Like I said, excuse the noise. My parents are talking. Alright. It's hard to open these. Alright. So here is the special card. See, you can see it's special. Here it is. And here is the regular card. His card. See, on the back it looks like this, and on the front it looks like this. So yeah, and also I got this. Alright, time for the Bakugan. Alright, I'm gonna have to open this. Alright. It is hard to take this out. And as I said, excuse the noise. My parents are not only talking, but they are watching a movie. And done. Here is fangzor X mantonid. Alright, now let's see him in some rolling action. Alright, first let me find out how to turn him into a ball. Don't mind me. Alright, so yep. I think I found out. So first, gotta pull this in, on this in too, and then push the head in and turn this part all the way like this, I think. Yep, like this, and now it's just gonna be the tail. Just push the tail in. So yeah, here he is in a ball form, and now I'm gonna show you what he looks like in some rolling action. So get ready to see some rolling action. Get ready to see him do some rolling action. Wait, I don't think you can see it. That's just the trash. Alright. Alright, I'm just gonna roll it like that. Alright. So here are the discs. Don't think that I don't have them. Bakugan Brawl. Wait, it's not. It's going to. See? That's how he looks like whenever he jumps. Let's see that one more time. Let me just make him into a ball again. Alright. And now, just a little bit more. Just wait a jiffy, and then it will be done. Alright, one more time. Alright, see this disc right here? And see the other one? Right here. So, then it'll roll it. Alright, let's go. Alright. Oh, wait. Wow, it didn't work. It did not work. One more time. Watch it work. Watch. See? Kaboom. So, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more toy unboxings like this one. And comment down below who should I open next. fangzor X mantonid says bye-bye. Bye-bye. I'm gonna end the video now. push the button. Let me push it. I'm pushing it right now. Let me push it. Wait.